Book of Heaven, Volume 11, December 14th, 1912. One who is in the divine will, embracing everything, praying and repairing for all, takes within herself alone the love that God has for all. One who is completely in the divine will is not subject to temptation. This morning, when my always lovable Jesus came, he tied me with a golden thread and told me,
"My daughter, I do not want to tie you with ropes and chains. Shackles and iron chains are used with rebels, but with the docile, with those who want no life other than my will and take no food other than my love, just a thread is enough to keep them united with me. And many times I do not even use this thread. They are so deeply into me as to form one single thing with me. And if I use the thread, it is almost to play around them."
While Jesus was tying me, I found myself in the endless sea of the will of my sweet Jesus, and as a consequence, in all creatures. And I kept going in the mind of Jesus, in the eyes of Jesus, in his mouth, in his heart, as well as in the minds, in the eyes, and in everything else of the creatures, doing all that Jesus did. Oh, how with Jesus one embraces all. No one is excluded. Then Jesus added,
"One who is in my will, embracing everything, praying and repairing for all, takes within herself alone the love I have for all. The love I have for everyone she encloses in just herself, and for as much as I love her, she is equally dear to me and beautiful. She leaves everyone behind."
Then, having read that one who is not tempted is not dear to God, and since it seems to me that for a long time now I have not known what temptation is, I said this to Jesus, and he told me,
"My daughter, one who is completely in my will is not subject to temptation, because the devil does not have the power to enter my will. Not only this, but he himself does not want to enter because my will is light, and before this light the soul would recognize his tricks very easily, and would therefore make fun of the enemy. The enemy does not like this mockery, which is more terrible for him than hell itself, so he does all he can to stay away from her. Try to get out of my will, and you will see how many enemies will swoop down on you. One who is in my will carries the flag of victory always high, and none of the enemies dares to confront this impregnable flag."